Hi everyone, this is Harsha from Netgear. Netgear has been like there for like 25 years, and it was founded by our founder CEO Patrick Lowe and the CTO Mark Merrill, and they had this vision of like creating high-end, high-quality networking equipments for the masses and small and medium businesses that also need high-end networking equipments. So we are a well-known brand in the home Wi-Fi routers. We also do a lot of switches and access points. And I'm here to talk about what we offer for the SMB business in terms of campus networking, the switches, and the access points. Uh, why Netgear? Basically, what we do is like we focus our design principles and the product formats mainly for the MSPs and the SMBs that don't have a lot of IT staff. So it is always ease of installation is important, and then high performance, like the highest quality possible, and then also the latest greatest technology. So all this is one of our key design needs. Coming to the access points itself, because this is mostly wireless crowd here, uh, we have a whole lot of access points to choose from. We have Wi-Fi 6E, and we have Wi-Fi 6. We have an outdoor AP. We have a 2x2 plus 2x2, 4x4 plus 4x4. We even have a tri-band AP that has 2.4 gigahertz, 5 gigahertz high, and 5 gigahertz low. This is very useful for high density deployments where like you have a lot more clients joining the AP centrally. So you can actually use less number of APs and get more number of clients, get very good Wi-Fi with this. We also have access points that are like mainly only for the integrators. You need to purchase through your distribution channels. And the difference here is it comes with 4 years of the cloud management software. And also it comes with 4 years of pro support. That means you just have to call the support, and then there is within 24 hours we can replace the hardware if hardware goes bad. But like usually our hardwares are of highest quality, and we have very little problem in lot of deployments that we have been doing. Yeah, and these again are not sold in Amazon or Netgear store. That way, these queues are only for the installers. This is a little bit about our management system. It's 100% cloud. All the APs come with like a 1 year subscription, or like it comes with like a 4 year subscription if you're on the pro models. It is built with MSPs and VARs in mind, or ITF, a small SMB who is like one person doing multiple things. And we have full multi-tenancy. You can like organize it through organizations and then locations, and in each locations you can have like all the standard things like multiple VLANs, multiple SSIDs, and 100% it can be managed remotely. We also have a whole bunch of family of switches that go with these access points. We have high port count, small port count. We have 10 gig switches. We have 2.5 gig switches. We have PoE++ switches that are needed for this latest power-hungry access points. So there is a lot of choice for on the switch side in the form factors and also the port counts. I would like to take one example here and go and show showcase what we have done. We have hundreds of thousands of locations with inside managed access points today. This is one special case where this is a high-end home. And these days, like most of the high-end homes are pretty much like a small enterprise. You have tons of IoT devices managing your swimming pool, your sound system, and like curtains that close from your cell phone app. So this particular home had a requirement of like high-speed internet everywhere for the family, and also quite a lot of IoT devices. Everything, including their circuit breakers, were coming with a Wi-Fi chipset. Washing machine, dishwashers, everything was on the network in this particular case. This is we segmented it into 3 networks. One is the AV network. This is only for the high performance like 4K video and audio. And there is speakers across all the rooms of the home, and everything is connected through the wire or wireless, and it comes with its own AV controller. So that's what you see here. We have different options here, like, a lot of our APs can also do wired backhaul and also wireless backhauls. The next one is the IoT network. This is those garage openers, and this is also like your pool controllers, your circuit breakers, everything is here. The home also had like security cameras, and the security company needs to monitor this cameras. So there is a VPN session that can be established into the network, and by the service provider into the NVR. And then the data network for the family. The family has a bunch of high-end gamers, so they wanted the highest speed gaming possible. And they have a printer that should be accessed by the guest and the family. So we do have all these standard features like MPSK gateways, so MDNS gateways and stuff like that, where you can like have isolated networks, but you can make special rules to allow printer to be accessed by the guest or just with the families. So that's and then the same way you can access, the family can do AirPlay to the Apple TV that is on the AV network using the MDNS gateway. And this home, like they use the standard apps that they control for it. No special thing is needed. The network is like silent and like it's behind the scenes. This home had a requirement for Wi-Fi across the pool in the yard. So you can see like even at the edge of the yard, they were able to get 630 Mbps. Forgot to mention that this home has a 1 Gbps down and 40 Mbps up speeds from Comcast. And throughout the home, wherever you sample, you will get almost 1 Gbps line speeds. And I would like to end saying, like, if you have any questions with Netgear offerings, please send an email to prowifidesign@netgear.com. We have a free service of Wi-Fi planning. So if you have any deployments that is going on and you want like to deploy it in a small branch office, or you want to deploy in a SMB, small and medium businesses, shoot us a mail with the floor plan and your network requirements. We'll come back to you with Wi-Fi planning and also the BOM with all the switches and the access points that can be used there. Thank you for listening so far.